What's up YouTube, this is Bishwar Haq. Today I'm going to install WordPress with Nginx on Ubuntu 18.04. In order to complete the WordPress installation, you need to have installed Nginx, MySQL and PHP on your Ubuntu server. So if you haven't installed them already, refer my tutorial on how to install Nginx, PHP, MySQL and PHPMyAdmin on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, I'm going to log into my server using SSH. If you are already in Ubuntu, open up the terminal. To begin, I'm going to update using the update command. And I'm going to check whether Nginx is running or not using the systemctl command. Yeah, it's active and running. Now I'm going to configure Nginx using nano. Add the following lines of code inside the server block to avoid block requests for favicon.ico and robots.txt. And I'm going to use regular expression to match any request for static files such as CSS, GIF, ICO, JPEG, JPG, JS or PNG files. Now I'm going to change the existing try files under location blocks by commenting the existing try files and adding the new line with the arguments. Now it's time to check the syntax errors by running this command. As you can see, there is no syntax errors found. Now I'm going to restart Nginx server using the systemctl reload command. Now I'm going to create a MySQL database along with the user for the WordPress. So for that, I'm going to log into my MySQL account by the following command. Now I'll be creating a database known as WordPress. Now I will create a separate MySQL user account with the password by granting access to the newly created WordPress database. Now it's time to flush the privileges using the flush privileges command so that the current instance of MySQL knows about the recent changes that we have made so far. Now I will check the databases whether WordPress is created or not using show databases command. As you can see, WordPress is available. Now I will exit out of MySQL by typing the command exit. Now it's time to download and install WordPress. For that, I'll be going to the wordpress.org website. From here, click on Get WordPress. And in here, you can see something like download.tar.gz. Right click on that and click on copy link address to copy the link. Now I will type wget-c and the link address which I have copied. Now it's time to extract the tar file using the tar xzvf command along with the name. Now copy the sample configuration file to wp-config.php using the cp command. Now I will move the entire contents of the WordPress directory into the HTML directory by typing this command. Now I will assign ownership to the HTML directory. Now it's time to configure WordPress. For that, I'll be opening my wp-config.php file by nano. And here we have to provide the database name, database user, and database password. And I'll be adding the fs method direct, where it will allows the direct method to install WordPress plugins, themes, or updates. Now I will grab the secret keys by copying this URL, and I'll be going to my terminal, and in here I will use curl command along with -s to generate the secret keys. Now I'm going to alter the values in the configuration file by pasting my secret keys. Now it's time to complete the installation through the web interface by going to the server IP address. Select the language which you are comfortable with and press continue. And in here, provide the title, username, and the password, and along with the user email. For now, I'm going to discourage search engine and then click install WordPress. Now it's time to log into your WordPress account using the username and the password which you have given. Ta-da! You have successfully installed WordPress on your server. That's it guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share with others. Peace out.